Little storyteller.
Mia skipped along a sunny path. A fluffy white bunny with twitching pink nose hopped beside her. The bunny's fur looked soft as cotton. Raindrops had left a big shiny puddle in the middle of the path. Mia stopped. "Oh no," she said, looking at her bright red boots. Suddenly, the bunny wiggled its nose and hopped right into the puddle. Splash! Water flew everywhere, sparkling like tiny diamonds in the sun. The bunny looked up at Mia with wide, happy eyes. Mia giggled. It did look fun. She took a deep breath and stepped into the puddle. Splash! The cool water felt funny on her boots. She wiggled her toes and splashed more water. It made a happy sound. Mia and the bunny jumped and splashed in the puddle together. They laughed as the water went splash, splash, splash. Their faces were wet and their boots were muddy, but they didn't mind. It felt like a joyful game. When the puddle was just wet mud, Mia and the bunny sat on the warm grass. "That was fun," Mia said, her cheeks pink. The bunny wiggled its nose happily. Mia learned that sometimes the simplest things, like a muddy puddle, can bring the most joy. And sharing that joy with a friend makes it even better.
Please subscribe. Thank you.